On today's ride, I went to the top of Mount Lemmon, and in this video, I highlight the ride down while testing out some new positions for my 360 camera. So, coming up and down Mount Lemmon is a much different experience than the previous ride I did with my friend in October to Tortilla Flat. The road going into Tortilla Flat has super technical, slow speed hairpins everywhere. We barely were able to get up to 25 miles an hour in most sections. Coming up and down Mount Lemmon, it's easy to get up to 35, 40, 45, sometimes even 55 or 60 for short stretches. And it can actually kind of catch you off guard when you're changing up the pace, the tempo. But it's a fun ride. It's so much fun. And yeah. I passed these ladies coming up the mountain, then we all ended up at the cookie factory at the same time to get a slice of pizza. Didn't say anything to them, but you know. And then here I am passing them going back down the mountain. Now, I think that they're having a far better time of it going down the mountain than when they originally came up. So this here is probably the most popular pullout on Mount Lemmon, and it is called Windy Vista. And it's about halfway up from Tucson. It takes about 30 minutes, and even here, you're getting about a 5 to 10 degree temperature shift from down in the valley. So it's super popular. It's super busy on the weekend. And honestly, these cobblestones make it feel a little perilous on my motorcycle. I just don't like it. It just doesn't feel good. I'm using a feature in the DJI software that allows me to track a specific object. In this case, we're tracking the van in front of us. That van was pretty much in front of me the entire ride down. Just like the truck in the next video that I'm going to put out. Basically, I couldn't open it up ever because of this truck coming up and this van going down. It was a little bit of annoying, but probably safer in the long run. But basically, this feature automatically tracks an object that you select, and it keeps the camera pan smooth. So that's why these shots look so good. At least I think they look pretty good. And they stay focused on that van